All right, we're sitting here in the 2020 CX-9 to show you the memory seat function, and this is going to be available on the CX-9, CX-5, Mazda 3, Mazda 6, and the upper trim levels. They're all going to operate basically the same, but just wanted to give you a little tutorial on how to do that. So the first thing you're going to notice is you've got 3 buttons there, the set button, and then the first position and the second position. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is adjust my seat to the position that I'd like it. So we'll pull it back just a little bit and pull that rear piece up. And then I've also got the lumbar support. We'll push that out just a little bit. In order to set that, all you're gonna do is press and hold on the set button, and then we'll go ahead and press. You'll get audible cues in the vehicle as well at the same time. So we'll press and hold that set, get an audio cue saying, I know that you've pressed it, and then press and hold the one again, getting a slightly longer audio cue. Now, if I was to be in a separate position with that seat all the way forward and maybe lean back just a little bit, all I've got to do at this point is go ahead and press that one again. It's going to take me directly back to the most comfortable position that I sit in. So every time I get in the vehicle, I know exactly where I'm going to be sitting in. So that's the driver's seat with memory in the Mazda vehicle lineup. If you do have any more questions about that, please don't hesitate to comment below or give us a call at any one of our 4 locations in Tennessee and Oklahoma.